In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. If you want your team's project management and customer relationship tools to work better together, connecting Asana and HubSpot is a great place to start. This integration helps streamline workflows by allowing your teams to connect tasks, projects, and customer-related activity more efficiently. The setup itself is straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can get everything connected without confusion. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right navigation bar. There you'll find the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Click on that icon to open the available Marketplace options. From the menu, select App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot lists the different apps and integrations you can connect to your account. Once the App Marketplace opens, locate the search bar and type in Asana. This will help you quickly find the integration instead of browsing manually through the full app library. When Asana appears in the search results, click on it to open the integration page. Take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the correct app. This page usually includes a brief description of what the integration does, along with the option to begin setup. Next, click Install App. This starts the connection process between HubSpot and Asana. After that, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll be asked to log into your Asana account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you use the correct Asana workspace you want connected to HubSpot, especially if you manage more than one. As part of the installation, Asana will ask you to authorize the connection. This step gives HubSpot permission to interact with your Asana workspace so the integration can function properly. Review the requested access, then approve it to continue. Once authorization is complete, the connection should be established. At that point, HubSpot and Asana will be linked, and you can move forward with using the integration based on your team's workflow needs. If anything doesn't connect right away, it's a good idea to go back through the prompts and make sure you selected the correct account and workspace during setup. And that's it. That's how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. Once connected, you'll be in a much better position to keep collaboration organized and reduce manual work between your systems.